Cats are all getting their classic pate. Cutes, we're trying to fatten them up, giving them 2 pates a day. Our other cats are getting fat with him. I have Josie, I tried to keep her out here by putting that chair there, but she's still trying to snake out. Don't, Josie, it's not open. she's obsessed by cat food, obsessed, so I had to stop her. Because she's obsessed. She will go and steal one of the cats. Josie, did you already eat your food? That was so fast. Where are you going? Don't even think about it. Those animals are eating their own food. You ate yours, remember? Remember when you ate yours? I want more though. Look at me. Look at my big furry mouth. Hey. Growling? She growled at the camera. Oh.